another funnel over here. Is this actually our deploy slot? Yeah. Okay. Deploy. Power flashes! Power flashes! Down right there. Oh yeah, it's going. Holy cow! It's almost fully on the ground. I don't know if we have time. Do we have time? Okay, all right. Yeah. Rain coming in. Here it is. This thing's fully condensed. I'm doing it right now. Yeah, get that, John. Get that. Stupid raindrop. Yep. Yeah. We are about to be in this thing right now. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Look at that thing. Look at all that debris flying. Look at the debris. I can see the funnel. There we go. We're about to intercept. Sub-vortices in it. My harness in.
Hey guys, if you're on road, I don't even know what road it is, but it's just gonna
just tell them we're about to intercept.
Right in front of it.
We're already deployed, we're about to intercept. This thing's moving so slow. Yeah. Holy cow, look at that wind. Oh yeah, it's getting breezy in here. Just a tad. What's it looking like? It's still circulating over there behind that tree line. Yep. Debris flying out in the field right to our right over there. Is it full condensation? It's a bowl funnel, half condensed. Funnel, yep. Oh, this is gonna be strong. Here we go. Here it comes, boys. Yep. Yeah, no, this is the intercept y'all been looking for, right? Here we go. I don't need to lose my eyes during this. Are we still alive right now? Yeah, I hope so. Let's go. What's up, live chat? Tornado is literally about to hit us. Oh, here we go. Oh, baby, here we go. Oh, come on. Oh, is it going to miss us just, is it going to skirt past us or is it going to slam into us here? It might hit us. Come on, baby. Look at this wind. I can feel the pressure going down. Yep. Here it is. It's right on it. Oh, here we go. Woo-hoo! Yeah, yes! Let's go! Woo! Oh my gosh! That's insane! Oh my gosh, it's gonna like, oh, it's literally right there. Funnel's still half condensed. Right on it. Woo! Very windy. Hope my 360 is good. It's hard to see it. It's awesome. Very good. It's really in it. Very good orientation too. We're getting headwind. Perfect intercept. Oh, it's so windy. It's trying to pull up the door. Yeah, I should do that. right next to the pressure's going down. It's literally, it's fully condensed. It's fully condensed right next to us. About to get the side. Here it comes! Here we go! Let's go! We're inside of it. We're in it. We're living in the tornado. Woo-hoo! Oh my gosh! Yes! Oh, so much dirt! Let's go! Holy shit! Debris, debris, debris. Get ready, backside, backside. Behind. Holy shit! Look at all this dirt. I know. Look at the velocity on radar. Oh my god. We're literally in the center of it. Oh crap. My ear's still haven't fully popped, but it's trying. Yeah, it's trying. Look at all the mud and stuff. Oh no, we lost our view. We lost our view camera. No! No! Is it caked in mud? I hope so. We're on the backside. We made it through. We're good. We intercepted. Crazy intercept. Oh my god. There's the funnel. It went right over the top of us. Yeah, you're good. Keep an eye. Look out. Look for a satellite. Look at that tornado. Yeah, it's caked in mud, but it's here. Oh, look at that tornado. Yeah! That's funny! Let's go! Oh yeah. Dude, we just went through a significant tornado. That was no developing. I gotta look at this. Oh yeah, on the right side of it. We're gonna get both of the hill. Is there another one? Yeah, just look for satellites, Evan. Okay, let's see. They're waiting on a farmer to come get them then, so I guess we're not really, we can't really do much for them.
That depends if they do come. They don't know.
Do a lot of things.
Ah, look at this.
It's
Ryan,
caked.
how do you describe the intercept? It was windy. Man.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna say it was strong.